Good day. Thank you for clicking onto this video. I know what you're wondering right now. What is on my screen? Well, this is the design prototype I myself and my group mate Lebo designed. This prototype design was made through the Figma website, which allows for the designing of mobile application without the use of a programming code. And in today's video, it's all about explaining each feature for the coffee ordering mobile application. I'm going to take you through everything: the splash screen, the sign up sheet, the login sheet, everything to do with the design I am about to explain. As I said before, feature. Not everything that you see on the screen right now has a feature, as it is a prototype, such as the name, the email, the password. They don't really have a function right now, as it is only a prototype. But the buttons such as order now, sign up, login, they all have a feature, they all have a function in which can be executed. But that will be more explained when I explain the prototype. But right now, it's all about the design that you're seeing on screen right now. I'm going to take you through the splash screen right now, which was created by me, which was made by me. It's just a simple design that the user will be able to see as soon as they enter the mobile application. Just a normal, simple splash screen. We got our, just the lady ordering a coffee no problem, which is, the slogan for the application, and Barista's Coffee Cafe, which is the name of, the app and the physical store as well. And as I said, the order now, it does have a function which is to take you, as soon as you click onto it, it takes you to the next screen, which is the sign up sheet. Now, the sign up sheet was made by my partner Lebo. So I'm just going to take you through it. As you can see, it's a normal sign up sheet. You can input your name, which is your username, your email, your password, and if you would like to receive any newsletter or any promotional information, you're able to tick that. They don't really have functions right now. As I said, it's a prototype, so they don't really have functions, but that's just what the user will be able to see and do when the application is actually running. And you can also use various other options to sign in, such as you're using your Google, your Facebook, and GitHub as well, which is required when you want to sign up for something. And yeah, this button right here, sign up, does have a function. It does play a role in this whole application prototype, but that will be explained later. Now, if you do not have an already existing account, then you use the sign up sheet. But if you do have an existing account, you're able to use the login sheet, which is also made by my partner Lebo. You can just put in your email and your password if you already have an existing account and you're able to log in. We also have other stuff here like forgot your password, just in case you forgot your password, and you can just run that. Again, it's a prototype, so it's not able to do anything. But these buttons right here do something, and they go back to the main menu, just in case you want to go back to the main menu. So basically, that's just the splash screen, the sign up sheet, and the login sheet. And I'm just gonna move on briefly to the next thing, which is the main menu. So after you've logged in or signed up for your account, you can then able to go into the market, which displays every coffee that's offered by Barista's Cafe, which is the name of the mobile application and the physical store. You can see here there are various options you can choose from: cappuccino, espresso, doppio, just to name a few. And you can see underneath the names and the pictures, you can get the price of the coffee. And also you can search here. Again, does not have a function as of yet. Again, it's only a prototype, but again, you have the go back button, which does have a function. You can go back to the main screen. Now there is a function. As soon as you press one of these coffee maker, or one of these coffee various options, you're able to move on to the next slide, which is the order details. This is what's going to be shown as soon as you choose one of your various coffee options. It's very simple, very brief. It shows you the picture of the coffee, the name of the coffee that you want to purchase, and the price, as well as the delivery address. As you're ordering from an app, you'd want to input your address for delivery. Ask you for your town or city, your street or road, and your street code, just so it can be delivered to you. The delivery date as well over here, it just shows it allows for the user to input the day that they order the coffee. So that's very good. That's very just something interesting to have in an application app. And again, no functions, but we do move on to the order now. Proceed to the payment checkout. Now, I did really want to put the payment option in this screen right here, but I did not have enough space, and I wanted the design to be more sleek, more appealing to the eye. So I did move the payment checkout into another screen. So I'm just gonna move over briefly to that. As soon as you press order now, which is a function, it takes you to the screen where you can use various payment options such as Apple Pay, uh, Stripe or Strip. I see some people call it Stripe, some people call it Strip, PayPal, and you can just use your various options, payment options to just pay for the coffee that you ordered. As you can see, this is what you see when you order in the barista's coffee, which is the coffee of the barista, and as well as your order and the price of the coffee, and then you can just insert your card number. And if you do wanna you didn't want to use, let's say you used Apple Pay and it displayed the screen and you don't want to use Apple Pay again, you can just choose another option for you to use. And underneath that is proceed and cancel, which do have a function. Proceed is just to go and just to confirm your bank details and everything like that, and cancel is just to go back onto this main screen right here. So you can just choose another option again. Now briefly, the last slide that happens as soon as you've ordered everything and then make your payment is the order successful completion screen. Again, the Barista's Cafe logo. It shows you that your order has been successfully completed. You got your order details as well, which is the cappuccino for the price that was exhibited in this screen right here, and it just confirms that your delivery address is successful and your payment method was successful. And obviously a sweet little goodbye. Have a sweet day. Just a thankful reminder for just ordering your coffee on the application website. And yeah, and this is just a button which does have a function to go back to the main menu. Now that's just a simple brief overview of the design. Now I'm just gonna take you to the prototype briefly, just nothing too much, nothing too hectic. We're just gonna go here. Gonna take you through again all these lines that you see. Again, I told you these have a function. All these lines that you see from order now, I'm just gonna take you through it. Order now, this line highlighted in blue, as soon as a user presses order now, it takes you to the sign up sheet. Now I'm not gonna explain every line here, but just to show you the basics. Now, like this one, to go back, this go back button allows the function for you to go back onto this main menu. As I said before, name, email, password, they don't have a function, so there's nothing going on right now. But sign up does take you onto the main menu screen. As you can see, that's also a function as well. And as I said, if you didn't have an existing account, you'd use sign up. But if you did have an existing account, you can press log in right on top here, and it takes you into the login screen, which is highlighted in blue right now. It takes you to this screen, and if you log in, it takes you into the main screen. So yeah, the sign up and the login both take you onto this main screen. Now, like I said, this is a prototype, so I did not make each design for each coffee option here. So I only made it for cappuccino, just to show you what each and every coffee would display. Again, if I made a screen for each and every coffee, it would just be redundant, as it is only a prototype. So cappuccino is displayed there. As soon as you click onto it, it takes you onto the screen right here, and the go back function takes you to the main screen, and also as back takes you to the main screen as well. Town, city, street, road, they don't have any functions, but this is what is displayed as soon as you click into cappuccino or choose a coffee of your need, of your want. And order now does have a function as well, which takes you onto the payment options, which proceed to the payment checkout. It shows you the payment options, the various payment options that I've already explained, and go back, it takes you back to the main menu. And proceed to checkout. As soon as you're done with your bank details and everything, put in your card number and everything is sorted, it shows you, and it proceeds you into the last screen, which is the order completion screen. and it just shows you everything, your order details, like I said, cappuccino, the amount you pay for it, your the successfulness of your delivery address and your payment method. Again, just a prototype. Obviously, if it wasn't a prototype, it would show you if your address has been confirmed or if your payment hasn't been confirmed. But again, just a prototype. So I'm just showing you what would happen if everything did go smoothly according to plan. And go back to the main menu. Now, this is actually interesting because this is a good function to have. Just in case you want to order, you ordered one cappuccino and you just want to order another thing, maybe a latte, then you can go back to the main menu and it takes you back to this menu right here. This menu right here. And that's just basically the prototype and just how everything works. Like I said, each and everything has a function, not everything obviously, but the buttons do have function to just show you what the user would see when using the app. Now I'm just gonna run the prototype for you, just to show you how it would work. So Figma is just loading right now. Which is the name of the project. Sorry, excuse me, it is loading. It does take some time. Okay, so basically this is what you see as soon as enter the app. As soon as you enter the app, welcome to Barista's Cafe. You can order now. As soon as you click order now, it does take you into the sign up sheet. Again, if you do not have an existing account, this is what you would be using. But if you did have an existing account, you can click onto login and it will take you into the login page where you can successfully log in and it takes you into the Barista's Cafe market. But I'm just gonna go back to show you that it does take you back to the main screen, which is order now. And if you do have a sign up sheet, again, it is a prototype, so if you did say go back, it wouldn't bring you back here, but again, it's a prototype, so it will bring you back here. Okay, so the sign up sheet, sign up button does work. Like I said, it does have a function, so it takes you straight into the Barista's Cafe main menu where you can click onto a coffee of your desire. But again, you see, if I did press Doppio, see, Doppio does not have a function. I can't go into Doppio because again, this is a prototype, and if I did each design for every coffee option right here, it wouldn't work. So cappuccino, this just shows you your delivery address, your town, your city, your street road, street code. Just shows you everything. Again, if you want to go back, it takes you to the main menu. But we're gonna order cappuccino. Order now. It takes you into the payment option screen, and yeah, your various payment options. You just input everything that you want. If I said cancel, it takes me back here, and then I can go back, or I can order now again, and I can proceed, and it just takes me to the order successfully completed screen. And yeah, this is just a simple prototype. Oh, and I almost forgot to tell you everything that my friend and my partner did. So I'm just gonna show you that as well. I almost forgot, which is very bad of me. So I'm the one who created the splash screen. Everything here that you see on the splash screen, I created. Now my partner Lebo, such a smart young boy. He made the sign up sheet and the login sheet as well. Carefully placed each and every connection to each and every splash screen, just to go back every function. This was a team effort. There was no one falling behind, no one slacking on work. This was honestly a team effort, and I'm the one who made this whole page right here, the main menu, just to show you the various options and the prices. And my friend Lebo also made this. Shows you delivery address. Proceed to check out, which I made, and you can see that each and every screen was shared properly. No one did more work than any other person. It was just a team effort. And Lebo made this delivery address, and I made the payment option slide. And me and myself, Lebo, just we wanted to do something simple, just so that people can understand that this is an order detail confirmation screen. And yeah, like I said, this is just a very good, sleek, just an efficient mobile application. And there's nothing too much, just to go through everything again, just to give a brief explanation. This is just a design prototype wireframes for a coffee ordering mobile application that me and my partner and group mate Lebo Machato designed. It allows for the user to log in with a username, a password, or use any other various options such as Google and GitHub, or Facebook, and it goes into as soon as you signed up or logged in, it goes into a screen that contains images of at least five different types of coffees. And as soon as someone clicks onto the coffee, like the cappuccino, like I have expressed already, if I can just go back to menu, cappuccino. If I click onto cappuccino, the user is able to just click onto the image and take you to the new screen, which allows the user to order the coffee by displaying the price of the coffee and asking for the delivery address, the delivery date, the street code, and everything like that, which was designed by Lebo himself. And order now, the screen designed by me. Payment options just shows you the payment options in which you can use various payment gateways as well, Apple Pay, uh, PayPal, and everything like that. And you proceed, and it does tell you your order has been confirmed, your payment option is successful, and the address was successful. And that that's basically the video. That's basically the design, the prototype. Very sleek, very efficient, very simple. Nothing too complicated, nothing too complicated. Honestly, it's very simple, very sleek. And I just want to thank Lebo as well for just designing and just putting his heart and soul into the designing of this mobile application. Even though it is a prototype, you can see how much work and effort went into each and every screen and every page. So I just want to thank him as well. Thank myself for just hard work and determination. And yeah, just thank you so much for watching the video, and have a good day. And like the and like this says right here, as that says right here underneath here, right here. Do you know what it says? It says, have a sweet day.